Welcome back to SpeakAlong English, the podcast where you learn English without pressure. If you've been following along, you already know how to start a conversation, talk about daily life, and keep a conversation going. But today, we talk about something many learners forget to practice.
Yes, how to end a conversation politely.
Because real-life English is not just about speaking well, it's also about leaving well.
Mia, I think ending a conversation is harder than starting one.
I agree. Many learners tell me, I don't know when to stop, or I don't know how to leave, or I'm afraid I'll sound rude.
Sometimes I stay too long, even when I'm tired or busy.
That's very common, and sometimes people do the opposite. They leave suddenly and feel uncomfortable later.
So today, we're learning how to end conversations clearly, kindly, and confidently.
Exactly. And the key idea for today is this: a polite ending has structure. Before we go deeper, here's the simple formula we'll use today. 1. Signal the ending. 2. Give a soft reason. 3. Show appreciation. 4. Add a closing line or future connection.
You don't always need all four, do you?
Correct, but the more formal the situation, the more helpful this structure is. Let's start with the first step. Signal the ending. This means you gently tell the listener, this conversation is coming to a close.
Without surprising them.
Exactly. Here are some natural signals. Well, anyway. All right, so.
These words sound small, but they seem very powerful.
Yes, they prepare the listener emotionally.
So, Mia, anyway, I should probably get going.
Perfect. That one word, anyway, makes the ending feel natural. Now let's talk about reasons. You should usually give a reason, but keep it soft.
A soft reason means short, general, and not too personal.
Exactly. Good examples are, I need to get back to work. I have another meeting. I should head out. I need to take a call.
Bad example?
Over-explaining. I need to leave because my manager emailed me and my calendar is full and I didn't sleep well and...
Too much information.
Yes, you don't need to justify your exit. A simple reason is enough. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I should get going.
I should get going.
Now add a soft reason. I should get going because...
I should get going because I have another call.
This is one of the most important parts. Always show appreciation.
Even if the conversation was short.
Yes, appreciation makes the ending feel warm, not abrupt. Common phrases are, it was nice talking to you. I enjoyed our conversation. Thanks for your time. It was great catching up.
Mia, it was really nice talking to you.
That already feels polite and respectful. Now let's talk about future connections. This step is optional but very useful.
It tells the listener, I'm leaving now, but I value this connection.
Let's talk again soon. See you tomorrow. I'll message you later. Let's catch up next week. Only say this if you mean it.
Yes, don't promise something you won't do.
Let's put everything together.
All right, Mia, it was really nice talking to you, but I should get back to work. Let's catch up again soon.
That was excellent. Clear, polite, natural. Let's try different situations now. At work, polite and professional is best.
It was great talking with you, but I need to prepare for my next meeting.
With friends, you can be more relaxed.
All right, I'm going to head out. Let's talk later.
Phone calls need clear endings.
Thanks for calling. I need to go now, but I'll talk to you soon.
Online conversations need clarity too.
I need to log off now. Thanks for the chat.
Now it's your turn. Say with me. Signal plus reason plus appreciation.
Well, I should get going. It was nice talking to you.
Perfect. Let's talk about mistakes learners often make. Leaving without saying anything, saying only, okay, suddenly changing the topic, apologizing too much, and over-explaining.
Remember, leaving is normal.
Yes, ending a conversation politely is a skill, not a problem. And clarity is kindness. Let's review today's key points. To end a conversation politely, 1. Signal the ending. 2. Give a soft reason. 3. Show appreciation. 4. Add a future connection if appropriate. And 5. Keep it simple and calm.
That's real-life English.
You've now learned the full conversation journey, how to start, how to continue, and how to end politely.
That's a powerful skill in any language.
Thank you for speaking along with us today. We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Along English.